In this video, let's learn comparing enum in if condition and working of if. First, let me comment some code to make it clear. Here I created enum named level with three variants 1, 2 and 3 and assigns enum level 2 to player level. In line 132, I compare player level with enum level 2, but it says double equal symbol cannot be applied here and it needs partial EQ trait, and also it can be compared using EQ method. So I applied partial EQ trait on enum level. Now the problem solved. And now let's run the program. See, we have got the result. We can also use EQ method to compare enum. Here let's see how conditional control flow if is working. Here we have two functions, cond1 and cond2, which returns bool. In line 3 we used these two functions with AND symbol. As from truth table AND, if left and right two functions returns true means true block statement will be executed. If any one function is false, then condition result is false, so false block is executed. Now let's run the program. Here two functions are evaluated and both returns true, so true block is printed. Now I change return value as false for function cond1. So in line 3 the first condition is false and only the function cond1 is evaluated and the false block is printed. Now I change cond1 to true and cond2 to false. Now in line 3 the first condition is true, so it is necessary to evaluate condition 2 and cond2 is evaluated. It returns false, so false block is printed. Now I change both functions to return false, and once again in line 3 the first condition is false, so second condition is not evaluated and false block is printed. Kindly note here, if I change the operator to bitwise AND means then both condition is evaluated always irrespective of their result. Now I change the operator to logical OR, that is double pipe. As by OR truth table it requires any one condition to be true. Here both conditions are evaluated and returns false, so false block is printed. Now I change condition 1 to true and in line 3 the first condition is true, so no need to evaluate condition 2 and the true block is printed. Like that, if first condition is false means it must need to evaluate the second condition. As like in bitwise AND, The bitwise OR also evaluate both condition in all times. Now let's see the logical NOT operator. The NOT operator inverts the result and redirects the control flow according to that result. Now let's see logical XOR operator. When both condition result is same, that is if both are true or both are false, then false block is executed. Only if both condition is different, then true block is printed. Otherwise, false block is executed. Thank you.